one of the Facebook groups that I'm in, there was a post from an anonymous member complaining about the free download lead gen that a lot of marketers do. I get it, right? If you're getting something for free, you want it for free. So I kind of get the perspective. But they were setting it up to where it was basically like bait and switch, or, it was just a terrible marketing method that these online people are using. And I find it humorous that when you use similar marketing methods as physical stores would, it's bait and switch, but we don't think about it that way in physical stores, right? So you go into a store and they're offering free samples, you don't then get mad that they want you to buy the product, right? So I just find it interesting that when we talk about the digital world versus the physical world, people seem to expect the digital world to operate differently. And of course, in some ways it does, but in some ways marketing is marketing. It has to stay the same. So I'm curious what your take is on it. Is the free lead gen, lead magnet tactic, is it okay in physical structures but not the digital world, or is it just one of those things that the person was just an absolute freebie seeker and is unwilling to invest in learning more